Hi and welcome to this episode of Wellbeing Travel as Digital Nomad. Today I'm here in the beautiful Ghent, and in this episode I will share with you our journey of going from Bali to Paris and what to see. In Bali we stayed at the beautiful Lost Creator house, booked a dorm for 280,000 a night, booked a taxi to go all the way to the airport with Klook, and the day before I prepared my muscles by doing a massage, and I had some really good yummy food from Serenity Yoga. The day of travel, we took the taxi to the airport in Denpasar to go all the way to Jakarta, and in Jakarta there's a beautiful airport hotel where you can do some work and get some really yummy food prepared just for you.
Fantastic experience. I never slept on my flight I took today.
We are here in Abu Dhabi airport. We have 2 more hours before we have our flight to Paris. Started at 4 a.m. this morning in Bali, taxi, flight to Jakarta. Then I worked a little bit in Jakarta, had a great stay and slept almost the whole flight all the way to Abu Dhabi. One of my friends gave me a trick once. She said just lean a bit backwards and then I can always sleep, and I've been trying that and that's been working well. So off we go to Paris and see you on the other side.
Paris est arrivé. Paris est arrivé.
One more hour before our flight goes to Paris. We got some yoga here, a bit of half sleeping, trying not to fall asleep. And yeah, I love that there's a lot of space here to work on all these videos we created at Bali. 20 videos uploading on YouTube. And yeah, it's been pretty cool to get some work done over here. Arriving in Paris in 10 minutes. What wellbeing hotspot should we visit? Hi, welcome. We are in Moov-IT today, a region in France, and this region has been the heart of France for thousands of years. It's full of beautiful castles here, even a boat, and there's a lot of churches in this area. So let's go explore. Off to Paris. So I tried to book a train here to go to Paris, but the train just didn't show up. Super weird. At arrival in Paris, we stayed in a beautiful Airbnb in Moov-IT, which is a cute little village an hour away from the airport Charles De Gaulle. Hi, welcome here, very close to the airport. This is the living room and the sleeping area where I have a really good night to relax after a big journey. You can do some walk here, you can chill, and there's a beautiful kitchen to have a nice homey dinner together. Charles De Gaulle, sorry. That same day we stayed in the beautiful Airbnb and took a train to Paris Nord to check out a beautiful place to stay. There's a lot of beautiful party gowns in the area of Paris Nord. We also visited a beautiful farm with horses in Moov-IT, and the next day we drove over the villages in Paris, beautiful Romanian architecture, all the way to Compiègne to visit a beautiful chateau, to walk around the beautiful areas and have a pokeball in the historic city. We're here in Compiègne, which is also pretty close to Paris airport, so it's pretty well to visit. There's big parks here and walks. and culture. Ta-da! We are here in Compiègne, and there's this like beautiful castle chateau with walking fields, and then there's this cute little town with lots of cool cafes and this vegan place behind me. Here today in Compiègne and La Cosa, a super nice restaurant where you can have gluten-free and vegan options. Have a look at the food here. So that's it. If you're traveling from Bali all the way to Paris, these are things you can add to your itinerary to make it a well-being travel. Thanks for watching this episode of Arriving in Paris. Like, subscribe and comment to see more updates about well-being hotspots all over the world so you can work from wherever you are.